but I saw you there. I saw your face in another time, at another place, alive in your seclusion, serene in your delusion. There is no solution. This is my only conclusion. Caught between stations, bearing no relations, oblivious to sensation, which perish with the patience, living to dumbfound me, dying to be set free. Hear your voice from the white noise. Forever to breathe in another's eyes, destined to walk, telling meaningful lies. Wanna keep walking when you pass me by. Forever too loud without knowing why. Gone from my life, but never did you die. Spirit screaming in my tribal lullaby. Between stations, bearing no relations, oblivious to sensation, cherished with patience, living to dumbfound me.